Moo! I'm Anastasia, and I'm a healthy cow thanks to Farmer Maria.
I always wash my hands before milking Anastasia. If Anastasia is sick, I never use her milk. I clean her teats before milking her.
And we cool immediately after we milk her.
There are many sick people in this village, so the Peace Corps is stepping in to help.
Hi, I'm Ashley from the Peace Corps, and I would like to teach you about the benefits of pasteurization. Did you know germs are found in unpasteurized milk and may cause many diseases, like tuberculosis, Q fever, and listeriosis, which can cause miscarriages?
My mother is ill,
and I don't want to lose my baby.
Please teach us more.
Here are the instructions and benefits of solar pasteurization. Here's the reflector. It's made of a woven mat, and you can also use cardboard. You will also need some type of a container with a lid, and place it in a plastic bag. Make the reflector into a parabola shape and place the plastic bag in the middle.
That looks so helpful and beneficial.
Pasteurization is when you heat milk up for long enough to kill germs, viruses, and parasites. This is accomplished by heating the milk up to 145 degrees for 30 minutes.
Make sure after pasteurization you cool the milk down right away.
The end. Okay.
We're making a solar pasteurizer.
The items you need are a wire frame for support, cardboard for your pasteurizer, tin foil for reflective, tape and adhesive to stick, a jar, and black paint, and a ruler. So first thing you do is you make sure that your cardboard is at least 4 feet long, and then you cut it to be 2 feet wide, and then you cut it, and then you take the diameter, you make a semicircle in the middle that bigger than the diameter of the jar around it, and it comes out to look like
Like this.
You spray your bottle black, and then you add your milk or water that you'll be pasteurizing, and you stick in your thermometer so you can tell when it's reached the temperature.
Instead of using a thermometer, you can use beeswax instead as a different indicator, which will melt at the pasteurizing point, which is 145 degrees for 30 minutes.
Jug work. And then you stick here.
And it's good to use beeswax because it is reusable.
So then you put it in the plastic bag because it will insulate it, and so it will keep the heat in, and then you're ready to go.
Okay. And you fold your reflector into a parabola shape and then clip it together. And then you put your jar in the middle.
And then if you stand in the middle and your shadow is directly in the middle, then you know you have your parabola set up correctly.
And
that's how you make a parabolic solar pasteurizer.